Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can still watch TikTok videos when you are offline or doesn't have any internet connections. So if you want to still watch TikTok videos or scrolling your TikTok, if you are not having any internet connection, you can just do this. First, you can go to your profiles on your TikTok and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy and scroll down until you find this cache and cellular options. Now tap on this offline videos. So offline videos is the feature where you can download videos to watch offlines, and they will be refreshed with new content when you are next connected to Wi-Fi. So in here you can choose the amount of videos between 50 until 200 videos. So here you need to select one of these. You can, if you go with 50s, you can have 30-minute watch time around 27 megabyte. But if you are going to max to the maximum 200 videos, you got 120-minute watch time around 150 megabyte. So just choose which one. I'm going to go with 100 for example. Now you can just click on download. So it will downloading, and here you can choose, and here you can see this is the amount of videos that has been downloaded, and here you can also clear it up again, the like the storage. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.